Today I want to introduce you to a really interesting piece of rehab equipment we have called the arm blade. It's a very simple structure that has a piece of metal, or actually maybe plastic, that has some flexibility and a handle in the middle. We use it for a variety of upper extremity rehab. The advantages is that you can work some muscle groups together and very gently when patients aren't quite ready to do things like TheraBand or weight. To give you an example, for someone with a really hot case of tennis elbow, we can start having them do a little bit vibration this way, and you can control how much strength you use by how much you move the blade. Someone who is recovering from a frozen shoulder and they're trying to bring the arm up, we'll have them start as simply as the arm on the side and a little vibration. And as they get stronger, we increase the vibration and we move the arm further away from their body. Anyway, if you have a specific condition, we'll be glad to set you up with your individualized workout program with the blade.